हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू दिस चैनल। आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ एक सीरम के बारे में बात करने वाली हूँ एंड आई विल बी रिव्यूइंग अ सीरम दैट आई हैव बीन यूजिंग फॉर मोर देन 2 वीक्स नाउ। 3 हफ्ते एंड 4 हफ्ते के आसपास हो चुका है एंड टुडे आई विल बी रिव्यूइंग एंड आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द Zani Active Care Acne Control Clarifying Serum. It has 2% salicylic acid and 1% glycolic acid, and this is what it looks like. Oh my god, if you are a person who deals with a lot of breakouts, अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा breakouts होते हैं, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा acne and pimples आते हैं, trust me guys, this is a savior. मुझे भी काफ़ी पिंपल्स आए हुए थे एंड मैंने इसे टेस्ट करना चालू किया। मैं इसे अमेज़ॉन से ख़रीदी हूँ। नीचे मैं लिंक दे दूँगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, आप लोग ज़रूर चेक करना। एंड मैं सीरम सिनॉल ट्राई करने को ढूंढ रही थी एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई स्टम्बल अपॉन दिस एंड आई सॉ दिस एक्ने क्लियरिफाइंग सीरम। मुझे एक दो पिंपल्स आए हुए थे एंड एक दो दाग पहले वाले पिंपल का था, तो मैंने सोचा कि इससे अच्छा मौका एंड मुझे इससे अच्छा टाइम मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं मिलेगा टू टेस्ट आउट दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट। सो या, without wasting any time, let's quickly get started with today's video. This is the Zani Active Care Acne Control Clarifying Serum. It has 2% salicylic acid and 1% glycolic acid, and this is for blemish prone skin. It helps, treats and protects and heals acne, and it prevents future breakouts. This serum right here is such a savior. Hidden gem बोलते हैं ना किसी चीज़ को जो एकदम छुपा रहता है, and then when you discover it, it just blows up your mind. This product right here is that. I have been using this serum for almost 3 weeks now. 3 हफ्ते already होने को आया है and I have been using this for 3 weeks. मैं इसे मुँह धोने के बाद ही मैं इसे लगा लेती हूँ एंड माई फेस हैज़ बिन फीलिंग, माई स्किन हैज़ बिन फीलिंग सो नाइस आफ्टर using this particular serum. I have very oily skin type which is prone to breaking out. This product right here dissolves all the excess oil from the skin. It opens up the clogged pores. This serum right here contains salicylic acid as well as glycolic acid that targets, this dual ingredient targets acne and fights blemishes. It thoroughly reduces the acne. मुझे एक active pimple आया हुआ था and I started using this and the active pimple was वो एक्टिव पिम्पल को पूरा दबा चुका था एंड द एक्टिव पिम्पल वॉज ऑलमोस्ट गॉन. ऑल द रेडनेस वॉज गॉन, ऑल द inflammation was gone after using this serum. Now that I've talked about the claims and what it did to my skin, let's talk about the main ingredients, salicylic acid and glycolic acid, which is so awesome for people with acne, blemish and oily prone skin. First, let's talk about salicylic acid, and inside the serum it has 2% salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a form of BHA. Salicylic acid is known to reduce acne by exfoliating the skin and making and keeping the pores clear. Salicylic acid also deals and helps with blackheads and whiteheads. मुझे बिल्कुल हल्का सा blackheads आया था मेरे नाक पे and chin की तरफ मुझे whiteheads आया था, and since the day I've been using this, I don't see anything on my nose as well as on my chin. Salicylic acid also helps with future breakout. Now let's talk about the next ingredient which is inside this serum, and that is glycolic acid, and the percentage is 1%. Another name of glycolic acid is acne fighting acid, and it is a form of AHA. Since salicylic acid and glycolic acid both clears out and keeps the pores clean, आपका skin automatically smooth दिखेगा and काफ़ी clear दिखेगा आपका skin. You will end up having clearer looking skin. Since I've been using this for almost 3 weeks now, I can see that my skin is lot plumpier. I feel that plumpiness on my skin. It has a lot of elasticity in it. This serum right here also contains aloe vera. Aloe vera is a great ingredient that provides the hydration and moisture to the skin. It soothes and calms the skin. Now that I've talked everything about this particular serum, let's see the result. Let's see the before and after. This is how my skin looked like before using this particular serum. You can see I have been breaking out. You can see the active pimple on my skin right here on the right side of my face, and this is how my skin looks like after using this for a week. You can see a drastic difference. The size of the pimple is reduced. You can see that the redness is gone, the inflammation is hardly there, and the size of the pimple is absolutely reduced. This is what my skin looks like after 2 weeks of using this particular serum. And this is what my skin looks like after using this for 3 weeks. My skin looks so much even toned. The pigmentation around my mouth area has drastically reduced. I see that my skin looks so much clear. It looks so plump. It looks so even toned than before. My skin looks so smooth and soft. My skin also looks so much hydrated and moisturized. That is it for today's video and I hope you guys like it. मैं लिंक दे दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इस प्रोडक्ट का, इस सीरम का. आप लोग ज़रूर जाकर चेक करना. आई होप यू गाइस लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड इफ यू डू देन मेक श्योर यू लाइक माय वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर देना चैनल को. ऑल्सो हिट द बेल to get notified every single time I upload a new video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.